Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about summer pronunciation, which is intonation for a question. So how does your voice like this or like this for certain question? Just to show what I mean by intonation, intonation means the pitch of your voice. So is it like this or like this? For example, when my intonation goes up, it sounds like this. No, no. And when my intonation goes down, it sounds like this. No, no. Do you hear the difference? So pay attention to that difference, that's intonation. No, 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 no. So there are three types of a question. The first one is a yes or no question. We call it that because the answer is either yes or no. So a yes or no question starts with do or does, is or are, was, where, can, and the answer is always yes or no. For example, are you coming? Are you coming? And in yes or no question, your intonation rises at the end. For example, do you know how to do this? Do you know how to do this? Rises intonation. And the last one, can you help me? Can you help me? The second type of a question we call an information question. This is when I'm asking for information, so I'm accepting more than yes or no response. Maybe this question starts with words like what, where, who, how, all the question words. Sometimes we call an WH question. For example, where are you going? Where are you going? And sometimes in this question you might think it's going up at the end because its clause go up near the end and then down. So it goes up and then down, following intonation. For example, where are you going? Where are you going? And another example, how was your weekend? How was your weekend? Another example, what did you do last night? What did you do last night? Following intonation. The third type of a question, this one is called a choose a question. And in this one, you are offering two options and we are accepting the person to choose one of them. In this case, our voice goes up at the first one and down at the second one. So, for example, would you like some tea or coffee? Would you like some tea or coffee? You have to choose tea or coffee. Another example, do you prefer summer or winter? Do you prefer summer or winter? Should we go or stay in? Should we go or stay in? Okay, the summary in this video. The first type of a question, yes or no question, for example, do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Rises intonation. And the second type of a question, information question, for example, where are you from? Where are you from? Following intonation. And the third types of a question, choose a question, for example, do you prefer reading or watching TV? Do you prefer reading or watching TV? Rises intonation at the first one and falling intonation and the second one. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you for listening. You are the best.